everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all guys are doing well. So summers are already here, and few days back I have posted on my Facebook that what are the summer issues you guys are facing. So let me know in the comment section, and I have got almost 60 plus queries regarding these summer issues, and I tried to pick up all the common problems which I have which I have seen over there. So I tried to collect them and answer them in today's video, and I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. So to know about the issues and their solution, make sure you watch this video till the end. And before moving on, make sure you have subscribed to my channel. If you haven't yet to subscribe, you will get a subscribe button down below. Press that and also hit the bell icon which is next to it, so that you will get notifications whenever I upload a new video. So without wasting more time, let's begin. So the first thing I noticed in summer issues that are rashes, and to be very honest, in this hot and humid weather, rashes are so obvious, and especially to those who have prone skin. Like when the summer starts, I get breakouts on my body parts. Like I can cure my pimples, but the curing my body acne or body rashes are so painful, so hectic. And to cure them, what I do, I do two things. I add few drops of tea tree essential oils in a half bucket full of water, and use that as my final rinse off. And after getting out of my shower, I applied candid dusting powder. This powder is recommended to me by doctor, and this works so effectively. You must try these 2 steps to get rid of your body acne or rashes. Okay, so the second thing in summer skin issues I have noticed is allergies. Like I've mentioned in the previous thing, that if your skin is allergic prone or acne prone, it's obvious to get allergies or rashes in the summer season. Like if your allergies are not curing, I will recommend you to visit a skin specialist, because I was suffering from that last year, and finally I'm cured totally by visiting a good dermatologist. He prescribed me some medicines along with some ointments and candid dusting powder. So you can use candid dusting powder if it started right now. Like if you are getting just tiny amount of allergies, you can try candid dusting powder. But if it's not curing for a long time, I will recommend you to visit a dermatologist, because you might get allergies due to several reasons, starting from your stomach issues or hormone issues, or just simply hot and humid weather. So it's better not to try anything at home, just to visit a dermatologist to get the proper medication and cures and solutions. Okay, so the third thing I noticed in summer skin issues is oily skin. Oh my god, don't ask me. If you take away some oil from my face, you can fry anything with that. So I'm such an oily skin person, and I try to follow my CTM routine, means cleansing, toning and moisturizing routine twice a day, to get rid of this oiliness from my face. And I try to use cleansers or toners which are infused with tea tree oil and salicylic acid, because these 2 things helps to get rid of the extra oil from your face. So make sure you purchase your daily skincare regime based on these things. So if you want me to do my current skincare routine, please let me know in the comment section below right now. I will love to film that for you guys. So the fourth thing I noticed in this summer skincare issues is tan. Another gift from this summer season is tan, and to get rid of it and to prevent that, I would suggest you 2 things. That no matter you are stepping out of your home or staying at home, make sure you apply generous amount of sunscreen which has at least SPF 50p++. And to get rid of your existing tan, you at least do tan removal scrub twice a week, and apply at least once a week detan face packs to get rid of your existing tans. If you're such a homemade remedies person, I will suggest you to apply gram flour along with curd and use coffee masks to get rid of these zippy tans. So the fifth thing I notice about this summer skin issues is sweaty and itchy scalp. And to get rid of that, make sure you wash your hair twice a week and make sure you add 4 to 5 drops of tea tree oil in your shampoo or in your oil. If you're using that in your oil, make sure you apply that oil before you do your shampoo. I do use 4 to 5 drops of tea tree essential oil in my shampoo and wash my hair with that, and I'm getting results. Trust me guys, I'm really in love with the tea tree oil these days because it's so helpful for me. Okay, so the most common problem of this season is acne. No matter which skin type you are bound to get acne this summer season, and to prevent that, I will suggest you to follow your CTM, cleansing, toning, moisturizing, so carefully and thoroughly this entire season, and eat light food as much as possible, cause due to bad digestion you can get acne as well. And to cure your acne, make sure to apply some acne treatment cream or face packs. I have mentioned them in my previous videos. The link will be in the description box, so don't forget to check that. How do I cure my acne? So the next thing I noticed is bad body odor, and to get rid of that, make sure you take bath twice a day once you step out of your home and once you return home from your hectic life. And use a good deodorant or perfume and apply them on the first point of your body so that perfume lasts on your body for a long time. Make sure carry your deodorant or perfume along with you so that you smells good all day long. I think these all are the queries I have seen in those comment sections. If I missed out anything, do let me know in the comment section below. I will answer them in the comment section. And yeah, that's all about today's video. I hope this entire video is helpful for you guys, and trust me guys, I'm facing all of them by my own, and this is my way to cure them, so I'm sharing that with you guys. I hope this will be effective for you guys as well. And if you like this video and found this video helpful, make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. It will be helpful for them, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.